How to invest for early retirement. Introduction. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Dreaming of retiring early and enjoying more time to pursue your passions? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into strategies for investing wisely to achieve early retirement. If you're ready to learn how to make your money work for you and reach your retirement goals sooner, let's get started. 1. Set clear retirement goals. Before you start investing, it's important to define your retirement goals. How early do you want to retire? What kind of lifestyle do you envision? Calculate how much money you'll need to retire comfortably and estimate how long you have until your target retirement age. Setting clear goals will help you determine how much you need to save and invest each month. 2. Build a solid financial foundation. Before focusing on investments, ensure you have a solid financial foundation. This includes emergency fund. Save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses to cover unexpected costs without derailing your investment plans. Debt management. Pay off high-interest debts, such as credit cards, to free up more money for investing and avoid interest costs eating into your savings. 3. Maximize retirement accounts. Utilize tax-advantaged retirement accounts to accelerate your path to early retirement. 401k or 403b. Contribute to your employer-sponsored retirement plan, especially if your employer offers a match. The tax benefits and compound growth can significantly boost your savings. IRA or Roth IRA. Individual retirement accounts offer tax advantages for your investments. Traditional IRAs provide tax deductions on contributions, while Roth IRAs offer tax-free withdrawals in retirement. 4. Invest in a diversified portfolio. Create a diversified investment portfolio to spread risk and maximize returns. Consider the following. Stocks. Invest in individual stocks or stock index funds for growth potential. Stocks typically offer higher returns but come with higher risk. Bonds. Include bonds or bond funds for stability and income. Bonds are generally less volatile than stocks and can provide a steady stream of interest. Real estate. Real estate investments, such as rental properties or real estate investment trusts, REITs, can offer additional income and diversification. Mutual funds/ETFs. These funds allow you to invest in a diversified mix of assets with a single investment. They can be a good way to achieve broad market exposure. 5. Focus on long-term growth. Early retirement requires long-term thinking and patience. Invest consistently and take advantage of compound interest by reinvesting dividends and interest. Avoid trying to time the market or making impulsive investment decisions. Stick to your investment plan and adjust as needed based on your progress and changes in your goals. 6. Regularly review and adjust your plan. Periodically review your investment strategy and financial progress. Check if you're on track to meet your retirement goals and adjust your contributions or investment choices if necessary. Life changes, such as income fluctuations or market conditions, may require adjustments to your plan. 7. Consider professional advice. If you're unsure where to start or need personalized guidance, consider consulting a financial advisor. They can help you develop a tailored investment strategy and provide expert advice on reaching your early retirement goals. Conclusion. Investing for early retirement is a journey that involves planning, discipline, and smart investment choices. By setting clear goals, building a strong financial foundation, maximizing retirement accounts, and staying focused on long-term growth, you'll be well on your way to achieving the retirement lifestyle you dream of. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more financial tips and strategies. Thanks for watching, and here's to a successful path to early retirement.